Hey guys, Dan here, welcome back to another reaction, and the time is 3:30. Uploading Supernatural reaction as I'm speaking now, but okay, well let's get into The Flash because, a lot of shit's going down in Arrow, and I just need answers from The Flash from last week, so without further ado, I think we're just gonna get into it, okay? And I need to turn the volume up because I didn't hear it as quite as loud in Arrow. And excuse the sheets, I'm washing my bed. I'm not doing alcohol this time.
What's the bonding agent? Darklight. Starlight. As the Dark Knight, I need to take the next step. Like you
Woo!
for metahumans against their will.
No, sorry, this fuckhead. The fucking Thanos. 24.
First it felt like a guide. Proof that things were headed in the right direction.
My friend's in Solid, right? Yeah.
Hanging over my head. Maybe I was still out there somewhere, looking for a way.
I'm not ready for the crisis.
Come back to you.
Where it says that you're supposed to die on December 10th. The last I remember, that article was a fight with Thawne, not some cosmic disaster.
Article changed.
If that article can change, then that means that we can still change the future.
I like your thinking, Iris. I like it.
So what do we do first?
Make a plan.
If a doctor told you you were dying, you'd get a second opinion. So I'm gonna go see this crisis for myself.
Oh, fuck no. You can't start me up like this. What is with it? There's shows this week.
I will get the rest of the money, I promise. Too late. Go!
What the fuck was that?
Did it work? I sound like Katie.
You sound like a non-meta thanks to Ray Palmer, and as long as this nanite camouflage cocktail is active, your voice and eyes will allow you to blend in with any group of regular Joes, so you can, live your life without scaring the ever-loving crap out of people.
And what about my hair?
Trust me, it'll fit right in.
Her hair's cool.
This is photographer extraordinaire Camilla Lang.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Aww.
Yeah, of course.
They're cute.
Very. There are used tissues on this.
She's got a point.
This is just a plunger. Oh my God, look at the brushstrokes on this one. Look, I don't know. But if this is how Caitlin's other half is gonna act, maybe she should skip my next show.
Oh. Ouch.
Unorthodox, but
What are you doing?
we've discovered. Yes, Your Honor.
Cecile?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where will we go?
December 11th, 2019 is the day after I'm supposed to disappear.
Maybe we should loop in the rest of Team Flash.
Yes.
That's the truth.
I don't feel great about you going in there alone.
I'm not gonna be alone. I have this.
Hello, Barry Allen. Preparing for temporal observational protocol.
Gideon.
Is that Gideon?
It's a mobile Gideon unit I built from salvage parts of the plinth.
You'll come right back to this moment. Right to this second.
I promise.
Okay.
Now approaching November 30th, 2019. December 1st, 2019. Disruption barrier descending.
What? Whoa. Oh. Oh, hit. What's that bone? Bone sticking out of the leg? Oh.
It's still not healing.
My readings indicate you were exposed to an extra-universal material that destroys positive matter on contact. A substance known as antimatter.
Antimatter, that's new.
What? Okay. Oh, he's hurt too.
I was going to tell you made the right call.
What?
For the past year, I've been detecting antimatter signatures across the multiverse. Now, we don't know their origin, but if my algorithm is correct, all Earths could be...
Did he just circle something about Earth too?
We have to find a way to break
in his prime. You in?
Yeah.
Then
In
let's...
his prime.
I've already had to postpone my dinner plans.
Not any further, I hope.
Barry, I'd like you to meet my wife, Dr. Joan Williams.
It is a pleasure to meet you, Barry Allen. I've heard quite a bit about you.
Nice to meet you.
And I told Judge Hankerson there was new evidence in Allegra's case. Okay, guys. All we have to do is find it.
There we go. We're getting somewhere.
It's CC.
What the fuck was that? Hey, Joe. Is Ralphie okay?
Jay told me he's a doppelganger of your late father.
Man.
Do I remind you of anyone from your Earth?
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, you do.
Mm-hmm.
Who is she?
That's
You're
it.
very special.
Ain't she?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Never thought I'd say. You ready?
They're gonna make me cry.
Jay's helmet will help channel the tachyons
The
into
Allens are
cortex
together.
and ignite your
Fuck the
synaptic
dogs.
cortex.
Now it's gonna get loud. Look at. I don't want to see the crisis. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to. Oh, they're all getting wiped.
Also picking up temporal energy readings.
Oh no, Iris.
His mind is experiencing them all.
This is fucked.
In order for billions to survive this coming crisis, Flash must die.
Oh no, 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 no.
A fast flying cloud. A flash of the lightning. A break of the wave.
What are you,
He passes from life
what are you reading?
to his rest in the grave.
Jesus! That's not a bedtime story.
Hey, Gaga usually works for me.
Synapses fire 10 times the normal rate, so you're feeling 10 times the amount of pain a non-speedster would. You'll feel better in a day or two.
Does he get pain relief?
What'd you see?
Billions of deaths. All their pain, their suffering.
Oh, Barry.
And then they were gone.
They just like a Thanos snap.
Ow! It's not getting any listen out.
I don't understand. I thought Allegra controlled radio waves. So did we, but she fired a heat blast right at Ralph.
It wasn't just heat. It was ultraviolet radiation.
He got a sunburn.
Yeah. From hell. Look at his face. UV light gets absorbed by the ozone layer. This was entirely undiluted. If it wasn't for his powers, that sunburn would have killed him.
So put some aloe on it.
Can I just talk?
This is insane. This is insane. All of the
think?
evidence she's guilty.
What I just said.
It's what you're feeling.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Which we understand. Thank you.
That's so weird. You feeling weird?
Your husband's.
What's coming? The monitor was telling the truth.
We get Kara and Oliver and everybody. We recreate an antimatter dampener. I don't care. Just find a way.
Maybe this is the reason I was given powers.
To die?
I have to accept this.
No.
We both.
No.
Do nothing. This isn't you. Barry, I know, would never stop running. He would find another way to fight.
Oh, don't be. Who is it? He can't get up.
It's open.
Oh, that's great. It's open. Oh, it's Joe.
They're symbols of the strength that we're charged with to get back out there. When we don't make the choice to die, we would never choose to do that. But when we hear the call of duty, we're willing to make that sacrifice.
Joe always has the best speeches.
That's
Mr. Frosty! Calling all White Walkers! You know, I'm gonna frack it.
Hey! I was listening to that.
Maybe you should be listening to Chester's molecular handled the situation and prevented us from being sucked out of existence by a giant death vacuum. What did you do with your Tuesday? Nothing. Nope. Stop. Were you drawing?
No.
You were trying.
No. Because drawing is for losers. Repeatedly. Is this how I made everyone feel at Camilla's show?
Yeah. That's a feeling we like to call guilt. It's a little stabby. But it can also show us when we need to make some.
You're still gonna try and break through. Okay. You do that.
So how could you possibly understand what I'm going through?
Don't tell
You
her.
have to let me help you. So you can put me away? No, that's not why I'm here. Then why are you? Because
Don't! See, don't you dare tell her.
Because I'm a metahuman.
Ah, you did. You told her.
Right?
What a bitch of a cousin. Why do you look like Hannibal? She dead set looks like Hannibal. With that fucking... like, I know these things are cool, but they're kind of bad because you can't see shit when the lights going off and on. Do you have like a fucked up jaw? Is that why it's there? Or just for show?
She's going after Allegra.
I am going to send Ralph there right now.
No, there's no time. I'm
But
going.
Barry, no, you're still recovering.
I'll be fine, alright?
No, but... Sorry.
Keep him safe.
Please don't hurt yourself. You're running away from it. Okay. It's gonna hit you. It's hitting, and it hit you.
186,000 miles per second, which is 80 times your top speed. I suggest a hasty retreat.
Thanks, Gideon. Really? You're gonna... Barry! Your face! It's gonna be fucked up. You gave her a good fucking hit. Hey. Oh, his face is burnt.
You know what they say. In a few days, it'll be tan.
I'm just glad you
Fucking love for us.
Well, there's no accounting for taste.
You know, my mom dated an artist once. He was a trapeze artist,
Barry.
Honestly.
No one even seen this kid. I'd like to see her.
She gets that.
Which is why I want to become a defense attorney for metahumans. I know you can tell me that I'm crazy and we're not. It was a pleasure to meet you, Barry Allen. You keep being the hero we know you are.
I will.
Yeah,
Ready?
Don't play us that song.
I know she's not your mom, but
Still nice to have.
Hmm.
I'm not so great.
no matter what you choose, I know that you're never gonna give up.
I can't lose him.
Choosing to die. I can never make the choice to leave you. But if my death is the only way to save the universe, to save you, I'm willing to do that.
I'm not gonna cry.
Whatever we do next, let's make it count.
Cried enough today.
A team for this crisis. Maybe even a world without the Flash.
No.
Let me tell him.
Don't end like that. Don't.
Beginning biopsy examination on patient 1A, Mitch Romero, male 40s.
What are you
My
doing?
hope. The body presents no obvious signs of hemorrhaging, but it appears the victim's blood
Is black.
is coagulated.
Oh. He's awake. told you this guy's fucked. Okay, let's watch next week's promo.
There's always going to be a crisis, or some meta-human threatening to take the life that you love. We're all living on borrowed time. There's a creature out there with the strength of 10 men.
That you created. The Flash are just fucked, okay? I knew that guy was doing the little, this fucking dark matter shit that it would fuck people in the ass, and it has finally come true. We need to go, what the fuck has he created? And the fucking crisis. But then his parents are together, even though they're not his parents, but they... No, how are you gonna prepare anyone? And just let them, I'm going to die on December 10th this year. We need to start a battle, but I'm gonna die. I can't lose Barry and Oliver, but I know I'm gonna have to, and I'm not okay with it. I'm just not. This has not been a good day. I am happy though that I didn't cry, or maybe I'm just numb from crying today. And I just don't have it in me left. But that was good, and I'm keen for next week. Hopefully we'll be on time for next week, but fuck, that was good. And seriously, the build up for this crisis. Ooh. So that was it for this reaction, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down there so I can chat to you down there about it. If you like my videos and want to see more, you can go to that end sign and hit that subscribe button. You know what to do, you cheeky fucker. And other than that, I will see you next Thursday for more Flash.